Putting a chain on my chainsaw. Most important thing about a chain is the cutters go forward. And then on the back side you want to see them coming back towards you because that's where you do your cutting. Super easy to put on. Little wax and sawdust pucks look good.
You're in trouble lighting the match. Oh yeah, you know you're gonna fail when a friggin' storm match won't light a friggin' wax sawdust puck in one try. That's hilarious. Oh, these things are a fail. Well, actually these sawdust pucks are best if you rough them up a bit. Take your knife and like bust up some of the dust. Go in there now. Wow, wow, wow.
It's funny, I was standing back watching the fire grow and I realized my knife is still stuck in my my fire lay. That's hilarious.
That's how you temper a knife.
Yeah, we're re-tempering it.
Look at that thing. Just beauty. You're just rocking on the camera, aren't you? You're just loving it. Got the light going and everything.
Trying to.
How you doing, man?
Anything I can do to help you out, buddy?
Yeah, man. Actually, I'm gonna quarter these two here. They're sitting in front of me real pretty.
That's a beautiful fire. I'm digging Russell's grave right now. For all you people that don't like his videos, you can thank me later. I am snow crafting, bushcrafting this.
Well, basically, he's digging us a little chaise lounge or couch, if you will.
Forgot my shovel.
I'll have to dry this out when I get home, but for now, I said I'll have to dry this out when I get home, but for now I'm just gonna stuff her in here. Hey everyone. So we've just been enjoying a leftover fire from some of the wood we sawed up last night, warming up our feet and boots. I actually caught my $300 Scarpas on fire. On the tip I actually had flame. I had to shove it in the snowbank. I got busy telling a story and looked down and my foot was on fire, so that wasn't very smart. Try not to do that. But yeah, we had a nice night. Having the chainsaw with us was advantageous. It was probably only minus 12, minus 15, somewhere in that range Celsius last night, so it wasn't that cold. We had Arctic bags, so we weren't fire dependent for survival or anything like that, but we were fire dependent for partying, I'll tell you that. We weren't going to have the time we had out here last night without a big roaring fire to sit around. Joel's snow bench here worked out real nice. I was really happy to have that. It's still very, very functional, and it's even got like a footstool now because the fire pit sunk right down on the ground, so we'll be able to use it next time we come out. So really glad you guys could come join us here. We had a great night. You know, basically after we left you guys last night, we just continued to build the fire up a little bit higher. We went out and got a nice piece of standing dead wood, about probably 9 inches around, punky, burned real well. Got to talking, and I think one thing we realized about life last night is that secrets are meant to be shared around a campfire. You know, it's nice to get a load off your chest once in a while and learn to trust each other. You know, go out with your friends. You know, anybody who's willing, just throw the line out there. Say, hey, what are you doing this weekend? You want to go have a fire? You want to go out? You want to go camping? You want to do something? Get out there and spend some time with the people you love. You know, it's an important thing, and I was glad I was able to share that time with Joel last night out here. So I appreciate you guys joining us. Don't forget, coming up here real soon, we've got the trapping expedition, Deep Woods Hunting and Fishing and Trapping Expedition, February 24th through the 27th. Starting to get pretty excited. There's still a lot of work left to do to be ready for it, but it's definitely in the pipes, and it's looking real good. And as always, check me out on Facebook and Instagram and my website at www.outdooradventurecraft.com. I'll be writing an article up on this one here soon too. I'm a little bit behind on my articles, but they're coming. And we'll see you next time. Here's one of the standing deadwood that we cut down last night. I got it ranked up here so that it's up off the ground, but this will be fine as long as I get it used before the spring thaw, because it's cold enough now that water's not going to seep into that. So yeah, this will be here for next time.